అందరికీ దీపావళి శుభాకాంక్షలు. I wish you all a very happy Diwali. I hope everyone celebrated this Diwali very safely. In this video, we are going to learn some more problems based on angle of elevation and angle of depression. Please once go through with the definitions and basics which are in my shorts. Stands vertically on the side of a road from a point on the other side directly opposite to the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees from another point 10 meters away from this point. On the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the tower is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower and the width of the road. Question: we need to draw a figure. This is tower H and 60 degrees elevation and 30 degrees elevation. He has given 10 centimeters and road width is x. We need to find x and h. Let the height of the tower is equal to h. Width of the road be x. Distance between the 2 points of the observation is equal to 10 meters. Angle of elevation from the 2 points 30 degrees and 60 degrees. So from the figure, tan 60 degrees is equal to h by x. What is tan 60? Root 3. Root 3 is equal to h by x. H is equal to root 3x. Consider this as first equation. Tan 30 degrees is equal to h by 10 plus x. 1 by root 3 is equal to h by 10 plus x. So h is equal to 10 plus x by root 3. Consider this as second equation. From equation 1 and 2, root 3x is equal to 10 plus x by root 3. So 3x is equal to 10 plus x. If you cross multiply root 3 into root 3, you will get 3. 3x minus x is equal to 10. 2x is equal to 10. X is equal to 5. So substitute x value in h, you will get 5 root 3. So height of the tower is equal to 5 root 3. Width of the road is equal to 5 meters. Next question. A 1.5 meters tall boy is looking at the top of the temple, which is 30 meters in height, from a point at certain distance. The angle of elevation from this eye to the top of the crown of the temple increases from 30 degrees to 60 degrees as he walks towards the temple. Find the distance he walked towards the temple. Understand the question and draw a figure. This is temple. Temple height is 30 meters. And boy's height is 1.5, and this is in rectangular shape, so this will be 1.5. So from 30, if you remove 1.5, you will get 28.5 meters. And this is angle of elevation 30 degrees, this is angle of elevation 60 degrees. Given part, height of the temple is equal to 30 meters, height of the man is equal to 1.5 meters. Let initial distance between the man and the temple be d. Let the distance walked as from the figure. Tan 30 degrees is equal to 30 degrees minus 1.5 by d by root 3 is equal to 28.5 by d. D is equal to 28.5 into root 3 m. Consider this as first equation. Tan 60 degrees is equal to 28.5 by d minus x is equal to root 3 is equal to 28.5 by d minus x. Root 3 is equal to 28.5 by d minus x. If you multiply root 3 into d minus x is equal to 28.5. Root 3 into what is d value from 1? 28.5 into root 3 minus x is equal to 28.5. If you multiply root 3 inside, so you will get next equation. 28.5 into 3 minus 28.5 is equal to root 3x. So you will get, if you multiply and subtract, you will get 57 is equal to root 3x. X is equal to 57 by root 3. So 57 can be written as 19 into 3 by root 3. 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. 19 root 3, you will get x value is equal to 19 into root 3 value 1.732. So if you multiply 32.908 meters. Therefore, distance walked towards the temple is equal to 32.908 meters. A statue stands on the top of a 2 meters tall pedestal from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degrees, and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degrees. Find the height of the statue. And the question and draw a figure. So you have to find here height of the statue. So given part is height of the pedestal is equal to 2 meters. Let the height of the statue is equal to h. Angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degrees. Angle of elevation of top of the pedestal is 45 degrees. So let the distance between the point of the observation and foot of the pedestal is equal to x. From the figure, tan 45 is equal to 2 by x. So tan 45 1 is equal to 2 by x is equal to 2 meters. So tan 60 degrees is equal to 2 plus h by x. Root 3 is equal to 2 plus h by x value is 2. So cross multiplication, you will get 2 root 3 minus 2 is equal to h. H is equal to 2 into 2 common, 2 into 1.732 minus 1, 2 into 0.732. So h is equal to 1.464 meters. Therefore height of the statue is equal to 1.45464. Next question. From the top of a building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cell tower is 60 degrees and the angle of depression to its foot is 45 degrees. If distance of the building from the tower is 7 meters, then find the height of the tower. From this question, draw a building and draw a tower, and top angle is 60 degrees and bottom 45 degrees. Consider building as x, tower as y. What is angle of elevation of the top of the tower is equal to 60 degrees. Angle of depression to the foot of the tower is equal to 45 degrees. Distance between tower and building is 7 meters. Let the height of the building is equal to x. Let the height of the tower is equal to y. From the figure, tan 45 degrees is equal to x by 7. Tan 45 1 is equal to x by 7. X is equal to 7 meters. Tan 60 degrees is equal to y minus x by 7. So tan 60 degrees root 3. Root 3 is equal to y minus x by 7. Y minus x is equal to 7 root 3. Y minus 7 is equal to 7 root 3. Y is equal to 7 into root 3 plus 1. Root 3 value is 1.732. Substitute in that and add, multiply by y value, you will get 19.124 meters. Therefore, the height of the tower is equal to 19.124 meters. If you like this video in any point of view, please like, share, subscribe and comment me. Next question. A wire of length 18 meters had tied with electric pole at an angle of elevation 30 degrees with the ground. Because it was covering a long distance, it was cut and tied at an angle of elevation 60 degrees with the ground. How much length of the wire was cut? From this question, if we draw a figure, so angle of elevations we have 30 degrees and 16 degrees, and the length of the wire is equal to 18 meters, and this will be cut rope will be 18 minus x. So write given part. From we can write sin 30 degrees is equal to h by 18 is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to h by 18. So h is equal to 9 meters. Next, sin 60 degrees is equal to h by 18 minus x. Root 3 by 2 is equal to 9 by 18 minus x. If we cross multiply, we will get 18 root 3 minus 18 is equal to root 3 x. So take 18 common. So you will get 18 into root 3 minus 1 is equal to root 3x. If we write 18 in terms of 6 into 3, so 3 in terms of root 3, so all those gets cancelled. You will get 18 minus 6 root 3 is equal to x. So substitute in place of x root 3 value. So you will get x value 7.608 meters. So length of the wire removed is equal to 7.608 meters. Next question. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degrees and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degrees. Top of the tower is 30 meters high. Find the height of the building. So here we need to draw a figure. Draw a tower and building. Consider building as x. Tower given 30 meters and he has given elevations 30 degrees and 60 degrees. We need to find d value. D is foot of the building. X is building height. So write the given part and consider foot of the building as d and building as x. From the figure we can write tan 60 degrees is equal to 30 by d. So tan 60 degrees root 3 is equal to 30 by d. D is equal to 30 by root 3. Write 30 in terms of 3 into 10. So 3 into root 3 terms. So root 3 cancel, 10 root 3. So d value is equal to 10 root 3. Again tan 30 degrees is equal to x by d. Tan 30 1 by root 3 is equal to x by 10 root 3. So root 3 cancel, x value is 10 meters. The height of the building is equal to 10 meters. Next question. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from the 2 points at a distance of 4 meters and 9 meters. Find the height of the tower from the base of the tower in the same straight line with it are complementary. Complementary means sum of two angles should be 90 degrees. So draw a figure. Height, tower height h, and one angle is x, another angle is 90 minus x. So he gave total 9 meters and base is 4 meters. Here we have to find angle. From the figure tan x is equal to h by 4. From the figure tan x is equal to h by 4. Consider this as one equation. Next tan 90 minus x is equal to h by 9. So this can be written as cot x is equal to h by 9. That means tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot x. Tan x is equal to 9 by h. From 1 and 2, h by 4 is equal to 9 by h. So cross multiplication, h square is equal to 4 into 9. 4 9s are 36. So h square is equal to 6 square. So square root square cancel. So h is equal to 6 meters. The height of the tower is equal to 6 meters. If you like this video in any point of view, please like, share, subscribe and comment me. If you are expecting any problems related to maths from me, please keep a comment.